Hello everyone, I am Sagarika Mathur and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today in this video you can learn how to make DIY no-sew cushion covers and also one way by which you can design your covers to enhance your living space. In order to make no-sew cushion covers, you will need a piece of cloth, a pair of scissors, fabric glue and a measuring tape. Now cut out the cloth in 34 into 17 inches of dimensions. Then using fabric glue, fold the smaller side of the cloth inwards. Repeat the same process on the other side as well. Lay down the entire cloth on a flat surface and place the cushion in the center and fold the cloth so that it overlaps each other. Then using a piece of chalk or a pen, make a small mark. Then remove the cushion from inside and fold the cloth using the mark you made. Using fabric glue, seal off both the open sides of the fabric just as shown. Let it dry for some time. Now flip the cushion inside out and make sure the edges are pointed. And your DIY cushion cover is ready. Now I'll show how you can easily design and enhance the look of your simple cushion covers. For this DIY, you will need a fringe lace of approximately 3 to 4 meters. First, you need to put a newspaper inside the cover so that it does not spoil the backside. Then, start off by applying fabric glue on the front side, leaving 1 inch gap from the bottom. Stick the lace on the glue and cut off the excess. Repeat the process until you reach the top. If you recreate this DIY, do tag me on Instagram or Facebook. Links to all my social media are mentioned in the description box below. And your DIY fringe lace cushion cover is ready. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more DIY and art related videos. Thank you for watching.